Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap. In this device we've got 4 different options, so 720p, 2 options connected with 1080p and 2K. The difference between those two are frames per second. We've got 30 and 60. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 2K, so just tap on it, and as you can see this icon will immediately change, which means that we just successfully applied the video resolution, a new video resolution, and from now on our device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.